Hi everybody, so today I'm doing a wig review. So I've been seeing a lot of posts on social media, especially YouTube, about the company Ebonyline, and I am suspicious. So in the reviews or the videos, I always see someone, trying on the wig. They talk about how amazing the wig is, how it's cheap, it's affordable, it looks good, it's glueless, they just throw it on, they don't do anything, and boom, they look amazing. And I'm very suspicious because all of the posts that I see are always sponsored. And I know what you're thinking. Okay, this is probably too good to be true, probably a scam, and you should just simply not purchase. Well, I might not be as smart as you think because I did purchase. To start off with, this came really quickly. I think within like 4 days or something, it was at my house. Crazy. This was hella quick. It came faster than expected. And it came in a really cute blue bag, and I'm gonna open it up. I've been waiting to open this to show you, so you should feel proud. Wait, I'm so excited. Wait, hold on. Okay, I'm hella excited, like. Okay, I'm not even gonna waste your time. Let's put this shit on my head. Oh, this is the color 40S Golden Tiara. I'm so excited. Okay, these are all the colors. Let me tell you something. This gray color, yeah, that one was sold out, but that one was fired. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's the picture of the gray one. Yeah, that shit's fire. I'm so excited. I feel like I'm a Barbie doll. Let me put my hair on. I'm a Liv doll. Do you remember Liv dolls that wore like wigs? Okay, first impressions. Okay, just for reference, this wig costs $35 plus $5 for shipping. Whoa, this is so soft. Okay, so I can't stick my fingers through it because the inside is like I don't know what to call this, but it's like that type where I can like stick my fingers through it. Okay, let's just put it on. That's the only reason why you clicked on this video. Okay, so the blonde part actually has blonde with like a brown color mixed in. Okay, let's put this on. Let's put this on. Ooh. It's okay, first of all, this wig is like hella tight. I feel like my brains are being squeezed, and I have a really small head. So if you have a big ass head, I don't know what to tell you. And I feel like with wigs like this, people are always like, do they shed? But it's like, child, if you're buying a cheap wig, yes, it's gonna shed. Ah! Wait, this little color though is like color's kind of, oh my goodness, I look like Marilyn Monroe. No, I don't. What do I look like? I look like Fantasia. Okay, I'm in the bathroom. It has like baby hairs right there. I'm just gonna, I think I'm gonna try and push everything back, and then I'm just gonna cut the lace. Now, let me warn you, I'm not one of those girls that knows how to finesse the wigs, okay? There's the girls that can, I don't even know what they do. They're like, and all of a sudden, that $10 cheap wig, it looks like Beyonce's wigs, like it was handcrafted for her. All of a sudden, it looks fantastic. That's not me. It could be me, but I'm not there. I don't even really wear rings for real. I'm sorry, this little bang is really doing it for me. Yeah. Okay, cutting the lace. I don't know why I'm so nervous. Why does this make my forehead look so big? I probably don't have it pulled down enough. I haven't plucked or nothing, okay? Because in the videos, they really just be throwing that shit on. So I'm gonna throw that shit on and then let y'all know. And then maybe if it looks like shit, I'll try and pluck something. I'm trying not to cut my fucking fingers. Being a girl is like so fun. Okay, it looks crazy right now, but I think that's mostly my fault though. I don't think that's the wig. Oh yeah, now that's doing it. Before I cut everything though, I'm about to play some like bad bitch music and get in the vibe. Okay, so I cut a bunch of the lace off and I have this bronzer. And I'm pretty much just gonna try and put the bronzer on the lace to make it match my skin tone a little bit better. So I have the wig inside out. As you can see, the part is like super tiny. But I don't care. I wasn't, you know, I mean, that's all I need to be real. I've worked with less. So this is really all I need. It's so cute. Glasses off. Now, let me tell you something. Glasses on, because I can't see. Let me tell you something. I haven't really done anything to this wig. I didn't use my hot comb, pluck nothing, and I'm lazy, so I'm not gonna pluck it. But this is what it looks like on camera. This is after powder, so this is what it looks like from like a foot away. My hair is not super flat right now, as you saw. So, you know, it's not as flat as it could be. Let me grab my hot comb, okay? Heat it up and see if that does anything. And okay, yes, I know this is a synthetic. I'm aware of the fact that you are not supposed to really put heat on these, but I'm just gonna do a little razzle dazzle, so it'll be all right. I'm trying to see where I can put this at where I don't accidentally burn something. Damn. I just feel like the cut of this is really, it does a lot. Okay, I'm gonna see if this does anything. That hot comb be making me nervous. It's on the lowest setting, so I feel like, okay, so that's doing a little something. You can see it a little. Did I do something? Anyways, if I like took my glasses off and like put on some makeup for real, like this could really be the thing. As for, you know, the pretty girls out there don't want to spend majority of their life trying to learn how to do wigs. You know, I feel like this is a good, like, you know, I guess Ebonyline is not a scam. You know, I might be trying out more wigs from this company on the channel, we'll see. But yeah, I paid for this with my own money, so. Okay, so pretty much it's the next day, but I just wanted to give you an update on the hair, because today was my first day really wearing it out for real. So I did get compliments today on my hair, and I only wore it for one day, but so far it didn't like really tangle. It didn't tangle, it didn't have a lot of shedding. This part is like so cute, because it feels like you don't have to do anything and it's already styled. Like you're just like, you're ready to go. Like, this is really cute. I did add some hairspray, some like Got2b to kind of make it look a little laid, but I didn't really, this is not glued down. I didn't really pluck much. I tried to pluck a little bit, but I hardly plucked anything, so I did go a little bit with my hot comb. I accidentally fell asleep with this wig on and I'm still wearing it, so putting more effort to like make it look a certain type of way. But considering the fact I pretty much did nothing and I just took it out the bag, this is the only, well, one of the only like true glueless like wigs that I've ever really seen work out for real. So definitely gonna buy some more from Ebonyline. I'm waiting for that silver and white color to come in stock again. Link in the description. This was $40. For $40, this is hella soft. Oh, I didn't show you the link. Like this is really the look. Like, like this, honestly, if I saw a girl wearing this really doesn't even look that, like, synthetic. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, that's all I have to say for this video. If you bought this, let me know. If you have any other, like, cute, cheap, lazy girl wigs, like, let me know, because I am lazy. And I love a cute little wig that I don't have to glue down. I can just throw it on and call it a day. So let me know where your favorite wigs are. And let me know if you're gonna buy this, because I'm nosy and I want the details. So that's all I have to say for this video. Peace out. And I never felt this way before, 'cause I swear it's the truth. Yeah, I'm gonna keep staring at myself with this wig on because it's so cute. It looks even cuter in real life than it does on camera. On camera, it's cute, but in real life though, like, I think I need to post a picture or something so you can see how cute it looks in real life, because in real life, this is the moment.